Hi, it's Leslie Benczik. I hope you are well and your loved ones are safe and sound. In the last 2 to 3 weeks, our lives have all been impacted by COVID-19 and the global pandemic that is currently going on. My team and I are now remotely working from home, and we've secured a safe cloud-based solution to handle all our files that we can access in the safety of our own homes. I can see the impact that it's having on families because I can see how my team and I are coping with it. It's very, very difficult, you know. Kids are at home. There's a lot of distractions. Anybody who's working from home, it's obviously not easy. It's been a huge adjustment. And then there's a lot of parents that have to commute to work. They're still working from offices, from facilities, whatever it may be. They're coping with new protocols, safety measures, etc. It hasn't been easy. If you're watching this video today, you've received our latest newsletter. You'll note that it is actually very, very different than past newsletters. We're trying to bring a nice community-based feel to it. There's a lot of things that the community is doing to help us get through these tough times, you know, to minimize the impact that COVID-19 is having on our lives. Local governments are bringing forth new initiatives. It's all in our newsletter. There's organizations that are doing great things. My team and I are supporting the Markham Stouffville Hospital. We have information in our newsletter on how you can do that too if you like. We've even gone to the extent of researching some of the suppliers where you can access some of the difficult things that it's hard to find out there, whether it be gloves or masks or gowns, things that are in need. And if you need help with that, just let us know. You know, we are going to be contributing in the future. We're going to be contributing now, so we would welcome you to do that with us if you like. Couple other new and cool things I think that we're going to be doing. One is an online event. It's going to be a candid conversation on the real estate market and some of the effects that COVID-19 has had on the real estate market. We're going to cover in it also deferred mortgages, some of the things that the banks are looking for, applications, some of the things that you have to navigate through to defer a mortgage if someone needs that. We'll also be talking a little bit about some of the changes and evolvement that's going on in real estate to move towards a more virtual experience. So there's some pretty cool things happening. You know, I also welcome you to send us a note. If there's anything you'd like us to cover, we'd be happy to do that. I find right now it's really important to be in conversation with people. It allows us to check in. It allows us to work through certain concerns, fears that we might have. You know, when we can't get together with loved ones, with family, man, that's difficult. And so, you know, right now, having conversations with, you know, people in our lives is really, really important. So I hope you can jump on. That's April the 9th. We were having 2 time slots. One is at 1, one is at 8 p.m. And hopefully one of those will work for you, maybe when the kids are in bed or whatever it may be. Look forward to you definitely joining us there. And, you know, last but not least, you know, these are definitely tough times. But I'm confident, you know, that we're going to make it through. And I'm confident that we are all very, very strong. If we pull together, we support one another, we're going to make it through. You know, I really believe and have a lot of faith in the resiliency of the human spirit. And I just want to wish you and your families all the best through these times. I wish you safety, I wish you health, and I wish you lots of strength. If we see you online, awesome. If we don't, then I hope we see you very, very soon when this is all over, and hopefully we can reconnect in person then. Until then, be well.